Alright, we're back in the amazing Minoi hangar. My name is Darren and I'm here today to introduce you to the Instant Solo Single Serve Coffee Maker. That's quite a mouthful for such a small machine. This is a coffee maker that is in the sub $100 market, and it is also Kcup compatible. But first, let me go over some of the stuff on the machine with you. So firstly, let's cover the dimensions. The width of it, about 5 inches wide, 11.5 inches deep, and the height is 12.5 inches unless you lift up the lid, so it takes it up to 16.5 inches total height. So it's a very compact unit. So the water reserve on the back is about 40 ounces and is detachable and dishwasher friendly, so you're able to keep it clean relatively easy. So the coffee maker does come with its own pod. Unfortunately, because they put this recessed unit in here, it makes it really hard to use a paper filter, and as you can see, it's a little bit awkward to put back together, but it does fit nicely in there, and it's tailor-made for this machine, obviously. However, I do prefer using these reusable pods and the scoop. They make life so much easier, and you just insert the pod as such. Power on, power off. If you want a bold cup of coffee, then that's the button there, on and off. 8 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, and you just select your brew. And what it does is it injects a small amount of water into the grind to stimulate it initially, then takes a minute break, and then does the full pour, which allows you to get a fuller body in the coffee. As you can see now, it's coming out. And while it's brewing, let me just say that links to all the products seen here will be in the description below, as well as our own line of aviation themed coffee. Please take a moment to like, because we like to be liked. Subscribe so that you can find out about all our other videos, and hit that notifications button so that we can notify you when new videos come out. All right, so after a couple of minutes, there you have it. Amazing cup of coffee, freshly brewed. Obviously, we use our own freshly roasted, freshly ground coffee. As for this coffee machine, good and bad. So the good part is it's so compact. Sorry for the helicopter, but that's part of being at the airport. It's so compact, it fits in almost any space. The controls on the top, super easy to read. They're on or they're off. It's as clear as day. Putting the pot in and out, very easy. Cleaning this, super easy. So the bad thing about this, which is common on a lot of these coffee makers, is that the water reservoir is on the back. Now, if you have a cupboard above it, it's going to be A, hard to see, and B, hard to refill it, even though it's removable. So you're going to have to pull it out, check it, refill it as that point. Other than that, it's a great coffee maker. I use this all the time. That is why it might not look brand new. It's because it's being used. So remember, we appreciate the likes. Subscribe to find out about our other videos, and hit the notifications so we can notify you when new videos come out. The links to all of these is in the description below. And although it's all about the coffee, it is up until it's time to fly. And that time is right now, so I'm about to take off.